everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for people who are new here, I am Bhavya Bungeira. So today I am going to talk about hair oil. This hair oil is a DIY that of course you can make it at home, and I have been experiencing like hair fall and a lot of hair issues from quite some time, and so I decided to not buy anything from the market, to not buy any market products, and instead do something at home for my hair. And yes, it's been like really good. Before I start, let me show you some pictures. I'll show you these pictures where my hair, I literally had a boy cut done in 2018, because if I talk about that experience of mine, I'll tell you what exactly happened. So for people who know me, they know really well that how much I like experimenting with my hair. So yes, in 2018 I had done something which really went wrong, and which is why I had to chop my hair. That was, I had colored my hair, and like strong colors, I had done that thrice in 1 month. So I had blonde, and then I had extreme white, and then I did some other color. So that was the biggest mistake that I did, and yeah, my hair punished me for that. They literally went like really dry and frizzy. It was just not what I expected. So yes, which is why I had to chop my hair, and when I chopped my hair, I decided to go like really short, and that was this. You can see the picture here. Yeah, so I went really short, and then it's been 2 years now. I decided to grow my hair, but also I have that craving kind of thing. I just cannot hold myself back. So in 2019 I again went for extensions, hair extensions, which I got done from Singapore. It was good, but then again it was not the clip-on extensions. It was like from the they did something from my scalp, from the roots. Basically they joined the extensions to my original hair, which is why I was done with it like in 2 months time. I took them off, but when I took them off, my hair, again, it was a mess, I can say, because my actual hair, it started breaking from the roots. So now it's not that visible, but when I actually removed that, I could see my hair had actually it was into pieces. It was not that complete full length. One strand, it was all broken into pieces, so which was like bad again. So yeah, after that I decided not to do any more experiments. So yeah, I then started with this DIY hair oil. Of course, I tried a lot of hair oil before that, because I started getting a lot of hair fall. It was crazy hair fall that I got. So I would be showing you all the pictures what actually my condition was. So then I decided to do this DIY. Since then, touch wood, my hair is much more healthy, and I don't have hair fall. I have, but it's not like much that I had previously. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So I thought, why not share with you guys, because I've been getting a lot of DMs on Instagram asking me about my hair care routine and the hair oil and treatments for hair fall. So today I would be sharing this hair oil with you that I tried for myself, and it really worked for me. And yes, hopefully it would work for you too, because all natural ingredients, the ingredients that you would get in your kitchen. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get started. And also look at the picture that I would share, 2018, 19 and 20, and see the difference how my hair has turned in these last 2 years. So yes. strained the oil that I had kept in that bowl with the mixture. I had strained it, and I have removed only the oil from it and transferred that oil into this bottle. This is basically a applicator which comes like this. So this gets very easy, you know, to apply oil or any other mask or anything to your hair. So that, which is why I prefer this, you know, rather than just using my fingers. I feel this is much better. So in case you all want to buy these applicators, I'm sure you all would get it on Amazon or any other online website. So all I am going to do is I'm going to oil my hair and then massage it for a while. That's it. So let's get started. So it's been like 3 days I haven't got a hair wash done, and yeah. Now let me show you guys how long my hair is now. So like y'all saw, my hair has grown pretty well. I mean, from last 1 year, the growth has been like really good, and also I am not facing that hair fall anymore. There's no dandruff issue. And the photo that I showed y'all, it was basically my hair. I had lost hair from the crown area, which was like very stressful when I actually saw them. So yeah, so let's start oiling. Bye.